Well, it sounds like a second Triumph guy who signed this year will not be racing for them after this year. Obviously, in April, we had Evan Ferry leave from the 250 side of things, and now it sounds like, at least if you're going to believe Steve Mathis, who is pretty well hooked into most of these things, saying, quote, Triumph PR out tomorrow, but Savagty not racing SMX for them. I believe he will be on a 450 team for WSX and more ASAP. Well, that kind of is strange because if he's already signed to Triumph, how is he going to race WSX on another brand? Because they don't have a 450 ready, as far as I know. If there's something out that you know, comment down below. Tell me if I'm wrong. But so if he's going to be racing WSX for a different team, how is that going to work contractually for them? It's just very strange that he had all this time to prepare. I mean, he couldn't race Supercross because of his point out, whatever you want to call it, and whatever stupid rule that is. So, motocross, you think should have had all the time in the world to test, get that bike dialed exactly how he wanted it to be fast on it. You know, this is a guy who should be, top five. He should be moving down from the 450s to the 250s and showing a lot of these kids, hey, here it is. I should be super fast. Well, he finished 12th with 192 points. Jalik Swoll finished not 7th with 277. So he wasn't even close to his own teammate in this. And of course, Ferry ended up moving to a different team, and I don't know, he finished even worse. Whatever, doesn't matter. But it's just kind of strange that this team, who started with 3 250 riders, is going to end the year, it sounds like at least, with 1 250 rider. And obviously, if you haven't seen, or I've seen some places around here, around that there is the rumor maybe Faulkner is going to go. Is that a 250 ride? Is that they're going to have a 450 ride for next year? Who knows? I'm going to assume it's probably a 250 ride. And it's just kind of one of those funny things that, like, here's this bike that was, developed by Carmichael and has Monster Energy behind it, and it's a factory squad, and it should be doing well. And you've got 66% of the riders not even finishing the whole year on it. And I don't know. It's just weird to me that Savagty did so poorly in the outdoors. Whether that's bike problems, him being inconsistent, who knows? You think with all the time he had to test, that bike should have been absolutely perfect for him. Can't race Supercross. You might as well be riding outdoors. There's no point in riding Supercross if you're not going to be racing it. So I don't know. To me, that's very strange. If it happens, it is. Obviously, he goes to a different team for WSX. I can't believe that's a stipulation in his contract saying, yeah, you can go race for somebody else and then come back to us. No. If you're another team, you won't want that either, because you'd be like, oh, yeah, this part worked really well. I want you to build this. But I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. Do you think it is a different team for WSX and a different team for next year? Do you think he'll be back for Triumph? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.